Welcome, marketing chefs. I've got something truly special cooking in the Omni-Channel oven today. Which generation should businesses be targeting? Put on those boxing gloves because up next it's Boomer versus X versus Millennials. Up next in the Marketing Kitchen. Welcome to the kitchen, the Marketing Kitchen. Hi, I'm Ron VINING, your host of MarketingKitchenTV. Thank you for your question. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. Okay, I always like to answer questions that talk about targeting and segmentation and generations. So this particular question here asks, which of these generations should brands be targeting? What brands need to do different? The generations are not listed, so I'll guess. We have the greatest generation, we have baby boomers, we have Generation X, and we have millennials, and then we have Generation Z, which is millennials. To answer your question, which of these generations should brands be targeting? The answer is all of the above, if those are the ones that are buying your products. To me, marketing is very simple. I guess I've been very successful at it because I do away with all the nonsense. Some people will sit in a room and they'll just spend way too much time trying to figure out something that to me is as easy as going to the grocery store, buying ice cream, buying some chocolate fudge, buying a banana, buying some whipped cream, taking it home, putting it all together and making a fantastic sundae. That's not rocket science. It's pretty simple. When someone asks me, who should you target? Well, the answer is, who's interested in your product? When you came up with the idea for this product or service, I'm assuming you had an ideal customer in mind. I'm assuming you know who your customer is, what your customer's likes, dislikes, wants, needs, preferences, price points, market, all of the segmentation factors that go beyond generational. You know who that customer is, and you know who to target and who not to. The answer to me, I guess it also goes back to politics. About 20 years of my life in politics, maybe 25. You can hyper-target any particular group, but for me, this is what I was most concerned about. Who was my customer when I was running political campaigns? My customer was anybody over the age of 18, which is necessary to register to vote. Anybody over the age of 18 registered to vote, obviously in my district, who had voted in, and again, you would set a particular criteria for yourself, voted in the last 3 consecutive elections. Maybe I'll do it 2 out of the 3 most recent elections. Well, what you do anyway is that you find out what your ideal number of votes is that you need to win. So you then set your targets. Whatever arrangement of those targets reach that votes needed to win is who you would target. Really simple. I wasn't looking at gender, I wasn't looking at age, I wasn't looking at boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, ba boom, all of these other factors. It was really quite simple. So the same thing is true with you as a brand selling a product. Who is the customer? And to me, the customer is the decision maker, and the decision maker to me is somebody who can put my message into action. So it's about determining who, regardless of age segment, can put your message into action, who's interested in your product. I don't think it's necessary to get into the nuances of a baby boomer versus X versus millennial, because with personalization, we can really understand and choose the right customer from each segment to be successful. Hope that answers your question. If it doesn't, please go to @MarketingKitchenTV, Q&A is the hashtag, ask me a follow-up question. Thank you. If you'd like me to answer a question here on MarketingKitchenTV, all you need to do is go to the @MarketingKitchenTV on Twitter, use the hashtag Q&A, and I will answer your questions here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Remember, there's always fresh content simmering on our storytelling stovetop. So whatever happens in this kitchen shouldn't stay in this marketing kitchen. I'm Ron VINING, your host, reminding you to invite your family and friends to the next episode of Marketing Kitchen TV.